Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to earn story sparkles on the My Little Pony Story Creator application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take a few seconds. So just wait.
Welcome to My Little Pony Story Creator.
This is the first screen, and click to the sparkle icon at the upper right corner of the screen, and you can find the Earn Story Sparkles page. You can use sparkles, you can use items, and you can just watch ad. Just click that or go and play with the game, and you can earn these items and you can use sparkles. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.